You are interested in innovations in digital 3D documentations of artifacts and archaeological sites? Looking for a practical guide for photo and video campaigns in an archaeological context? Then the following book, published in 2024, might be of interest to you. Let's take a brief look at the exciting topics of the individual book chapters. Chapter 1 provides an overview of existing methods in the field of digital 3D documentation in archaeology. Good reasons are given for the added value of virtual models, and their possibilities and limitations are discussed. The basis here is photography. Chapter 2 introduces the special features in an archaeological context, the digital representation of images, and the necessary image processing steps. Photos in various phases of the archaeological documentation process are discussed. Necessary basics from photogrammetry and videogrammetry are presented step by step and comprehensively in Chapter 3 and form an important basis for further considerations. Chapter 4 describes in detail the safe use of multicopters for archaeological documentation campaigns. It is based on the numerous training courses that we have conducted worldwide with various partners and universities in recent years. Chapter 5 is dedicated to the various recording strategies. Multicopter pilots should be able to execute these manually at any time. The knowledge from the chapter on photogrammetry and videogrammetry forms the basis for understanding the recording strategies. These recording strategies from the previous chapter form the basis for automated flight campaigns, which are presented in Chapter 6. We will become familiar with the convenience of modern multicopters and will be able to carry out automated flights. Chapter 7 then describes the topics of georeferencing and scaling of 3D models. We will get to know the common coordinate systems and see how we can georeference the reconstructed result. Chapter 8 examines the possibilities of archaeological underwater documentation with mini-submarines. Further technical aspects are necessary for underwater documentation, as GPS signals, as we use them with multicopters, cannot be easily received underwater. We will learn about various solutions for this. In addition to localization, image enhancement methods are another important step in underwater photography. In Chapter 9, we will learn about various solutions for this, and with the program J-Enhancer, we will be provided with a program that we can use to perform this task. Chapter 10 uses various examples above and below water to illustrate the successful use of the videogrammetry method in practice. Chapter 11 combines the advantages of the two strategies of photogrammetry and videogrammetry. In recent years, we have come to the conclusion that the advantages of both methods have an enormous advantage over just one of them. In the concluding Chapter 12, we take a closer look at the important aspects of planning and implementing documentation campaigns. We take a look behind the scenes and see what preparations need to be made. The book also offers insights into the recording of photo and video-based data for documentation campaigns and the use of various software packages. The most important steps are shown and explained in practical tasks. To make working with the book more efficient, videos are provided in many places and can be played directly from a smartphone or tablet using the QR codes in the book. Visit the book website and take a look at the numerous materials.